Hi everyone, and welcome to another unboxing from EMK. Now, do I have a cool coin to show you today? It is struck by the Perth Mint. As you can see there, it is a 2-ounce silver antique finish coin, and it is the Ouroboros coin. This thing is super cool. Now, of course, there we have the Perth Mint, and the particular packaging on this piece is really cool. You can sort of see the scales there, and it is slightly reflective, which is also nice. Now, the inner box is the standard Perth Mint box that comes with a lot of their products. First, we'll start off with the certificate of the Ouroboros. There we go. This is, of course, our certificate of authenticity, and we have a lot of the same information there. 2-ounce silver antique finished color coin, and this really is a cool product. This is 49 pure silver. It has a limited mintage of 2,000 pieces, and this thing is super cool. It's an innovative infinity shaped coin. We have a lot of information there on the Ouroboros itself. The Ouroboros does appear in a lot of ancient cultures, and it represents sort of the cycle of life. So this is a very, very cool coin that has been done very well by the Perth Mint. Now we've got their Perspex boxes there, stands, coin holder, everything in one, and this is nice if you want to show off this product, which of course you would, I'm sure, if you owned it. Very cool. Of course, you've got the magnetic circles just at the edges there to hold it in place, and it also serves as the packaging for this coin. Really, really nice. Now there we go. You can see the reverse there just quickly, because it is struck by the Perth Mint. It is Queen Elizabeth II, and it's an Australian legal tender coin. Yes, that's right. This is a coin. Man, that infinity shaped piece just looks phenomenal. The antique silver really goes well with this product because it's nice to be able just to put your hand straight on it. Look at all the detail in the scales there of the Ouroboros. Very, very cool. Now it is Australia, as I said, that struck in 2022. Once again, it is a 2-ounce 49 silver coin, and it has a face value of $2. Very nice detail there on the obverse. Just really, really well struck here. The edges on this piece are very nice, and it's just a really phenomenal coin to hold, to look at. You can see the P there for the Perth Mint privy mark, and just the quality that is behind this coin, how it's been struck, how it's been engraved, and then of course how it has been colored. Really, really nice. The colors on there seem to change depending what angle you have it on. You've got a series of blues, purples, greens, light blues, those deep purples, sometimes even a little bit of pink, and of course that very strong yellow on the belly of the snake. Very, very nice. Now, of course, we do have this infinity shaped coin along with some others on our website, and you can find those at www.emk.com.